3 years ago, Ali deposited RMT in an account which gave simple interest 6.25%. Today, he withdraws 100,000 from the account and leaves a balance of 19,343 and 75 cents. Okay, find the value of T and hence take the interest he obtained for the 3 years deposit. Okay, question A. Let us draw some timeline. 3 years ago. So from now, this is 3 years ago, Ali deposited RMT. What does it mean by RMT? P, principal. This is T. Okay, which gave a simple interest. What does it mean by simple interest? That is R. Okay, simple interest rate. Okay, 6.25%. R. Okay, 0.0625. Okay, today he withdraw 100,000. Okay, dia kata dia withdraw what today? This is today. Withdraw 100,000. 100,000. Wait, later that one. Okay. Leaves a balance. Okay, dia withdraw. Dia leaves a balance of what is it? 19,343 and 75 cents. Okay. So what happened to the amount of T for the 3 years? Apa jadi kepada T selama 3 tahun? Kalau nak bawa 3 tahun lepas ke hari ini, dapat satu jumlah. Okay, simple amount. Selama berapa tahun? 3 tahun. 3 years from today. T equals to 3. Okay, so we have to find the simple amount. Nanti dapat apa? S equals to, the formula will be 1P 1 plus RT. Sekarang kita kena cari S. Okay, macam mana nak cari S? Macam mana nak cari S? Kita tahu tak S dia ni? Kita boleh cari S. Okay, boleh cari S. Okay, what is the value of S? Kalau dia withdraw 100,000, balance dia 19,343.75 sen. S dia berapa? 119,343 dan 75 sen. Kita boleh tahu dia punya S. Okey. So masukkan dalam formula 119,343 dan 75 sen. P kita adalah T. Okay, we are looking for T now. Capital letter of T. Okay, 1 plus R. 0.0 what just now? 625. 625. What is the value of T? 3. Okay, Shopee. Okay, T equals to how much? Oh, I don't have calculator. Oh, what? 1? Not sure. 119,343.75 divide with 1 plus 0.0625 times 3. 100500. Okay. 100,000 and 500. That is the value of T. Okay. So now there's another questions there. State the interest he obtained for 3 years deposit. Macam mana nak cari interest? How to find interest? Oh, yes. We can use that one too. Oh, I just thought the S tolak P ni. Oh, okay. You are using I equals to PRT? Oh, boleh juga. Can also. Kita ada P, kan? Kita ada R, kita ada T. Oh, boleh nak pakai yang ni pun boleh. Okay. I'm using S minus P. Kenapa? S ada? Ada. 119,343.75 tolak P. P kita 100,500. Okay. So, bila tolakkan dapat berapa? 118. No. 1883 43 0.75. Okay, so that is the interest. Okay. Nak pakai yang ni pun okay. Why not? Okay. Alright, what's next? This question B. Okay, question B. Ada kaitan ke question A dengan B? Tak ada kaitan? Tak ada. Okay, I think let's choose another timeline. Okay. Ali invest 100,000. Okay, Ali invest 100,000. 100,000? Yes. Okay. In an investment scheme which promises a return of, okay, 5.15%. That is our J. 0.0515. Be careful that one. Compounded monthly, M kita 12 for the period of 5 years. Okay. Our T is 5 there. Find the return of investment. So macam mana nak cari return of investment? Nak guna formula apa kat situ? Formula S. Okay. Formula. Another future value. Okay. T berapa? 5. N berapa? T darab dengan 12. M 60. Okay, so the formula now is future value for compound. S equals to P1 plus I power N. Okay, so we have 100,000. 1 plus I, which is J over M, 0.0515, divide with 12, power with what? 60. Okay, 60. So nanti dapat berapa tu? Okay, 100,000 1 plus 0.0515 divide with 12 power with 60. Okay, RM 12, no, 129,297 and 92 cents. Okay, that is return for the investment. Determine the effective rate. Okay. Yeah. Is there any question so far? No. Dia cakap je effective rate masuk dalam formula RE. Kalau soalan macam ni, free mark je ni. Okay. 2 markah je. Masuk dalam formula terus jawapan. Okay. 0.0515 per 12. Kuasa 12 tolak 1. Okey. Kuasa 12 tolak dengan 1. See, I put 4 first. 0.0527. That is 4 decimal places. Then later you convert into 2 decimal places. 527%. Kalau rasa tak nak skip 4 decimal places pun tak apa. Okay. As long as this one written in percentage and maximum 2 decimal. Minimum is 2 decimal places. Okay. Number 2. Any questions?